Plastic Model Builders, hello, I am Harry Stone with Plastic Model Builder. This here is the Airfix P-51D Mustang in 1/48 scale. We are going to do a review and tell you all about this aircraft that we assembled here. First off, it goes together very nicely. There are some minor fit issues, not a lot. You've got a spinny prop here. You've got your canopy. The detail inside the cockpit was decent. The seat was a little pronounced from what I've seen on aircraft, but they do want it to stand out for you. They had minor details on the inside that were separate, like hoses and certain knobs and things like that. That way they really stand out. You can do this model with flaps down, as you can see, or flaps up. The tail also can be angled just like that, as you can see. There is a pilot, I think. It has the little Indian decals on this one, as you can see. The decals did tend to stick a little bit to the paper, so the glue must have been really good. I did tear a couple of them. Maybe if you do this model, you will have a lot better success. You can see the underside of this, just like this. The radiators are done inside. It has a front and a back. Some aircraft that I've seen of the P-51s doesn't really have that. It just kind of stops with the radiator, or it goes straight through. A basic kind of model on the cheaper end. This one, not quite like that. You do have some good detail inside of the wheel wells as well. The wheels have a bit of a flat spot on them. That way you know which way they go. It's not a lot, just a little bit. That way you can see how this plane rests. And I mean, they will only go in one way as well by how they've built this from what I remember. You've got your two different tanks. I put each one of them on here just because the kit came with it, and I can do that because it's my model. And that is pretty much it for this aircraft. You have your canopy right there, and I mean, you can make it open or closed. This is the Airfix P-51D Mustang in 1/48 scale. I'd give it a B+ for a model. The decals, as I said, were a little bit hard coming off, but you know, you could do two different versions of this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like. And always, until next time, see ya.